everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you are 18 plus or 20 plus or 25 or 30 plus. Okay, so age is not matter. Okay, age is only number, so number is not matter. Matter is only discipline as well consistency. These are the matter thing. Okay, so in this video I will share with you how to boost yourself while speak English. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so how to build yourself? These are the same question a lot of people in mind. Okay, how to start discipline yourself, how to build confidence, how to develop yourself. So this is the common question for some people. Okay, so tell me one thing. You are every day eating, every day you are sleeping, every day you are watching reels. So these are the discipline, these are the same thing you are continue, right? So discipline, that means everything which is continue every day, every single day, that is in my discipline. So including this thing, that means watching movie every day, eating food, and talking with other people and sleeping and whatever something you are doing your life every day, right? These are the thing is same, you are repeat again and again. So same thing is you are adding every day, reading book every day, you are doing something new every day, you are something like boost ourselves, and every day is 1% only. Okay, that is not lot of efforts you put every day. No, just only 1%, as much as only 1%, and this is so far your daily life. So you are boost 1% every day, and this result after you see after some year. Okay, these are the things. Because some elders people, they are says discipline is literally matter. Age is not matter, but discipline is literally matter. Because and this same thing I am trying in my life, and you are trying this. You are try only one time, only one week only, and then you are see this result after 8 days. You follow only discipline just 8 days, because I am following this, and this result is literally extraordinary. Okay, so these are the thing. And you put your result, you put your efforts only 1% of every single day, and this after that 1 year or 2 year you see this result 100%. Okay, you are literally successful, you will successful your in life. Okay, so these are things, these are the simple definition in your success, in your achievement. If you want something, these are the same definition follow, only discipline. Okay, and as well discipline is the key of success. Okay, so you put up your result you put up your efforts only 1%, and after that 1 or 2 year you will see the result 100% in your life. Okay, so in start to include 1%, put something new, something like for example reading, learning something. So walking something, daily yoga, or whatever something. Okay, that help to improve. Okay, so these are the thing. Okay, so I think this thing is literally extraordinary for you, for me, for every people. Okay, so let's start to put our efforts and let's do this. Okay, and if you like this video, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.